Oh, you don't know, but I have a little surprise. I mean, it's not for you, it's for me, but I'm really happy that I finally was able to take it because it's an expensive thing. So let's go and see what it is. And it's a Switch 2. I know it's not that super new, but I really wanted it because I have already the Switch 1 since the first year it came out. So I really wanted to show you because I'm really happy to have it, because it's some kind of super late birthday gift, because they helped me to buy it. So it was a gift that I needed to, elaborate, and I really want it because there is going to be a higher price, but let's just see how it is inside. You don't even care about it, so let's see it. So now that we have some lights, I just opening the whole thing here. I'm just curious to know if there is everything and what there is inside the box. I mean, the console, okay, but what else? Ooh. Oh, we're starting in a good way. I mean, I'm really excited about this console, but I really wanted a colored version. I was really waiting for it, and that's the reason why I waited so long. I mean, almost a year passed since my birthday gift. Ooh, super clean. I just need not to touch it. I wanted to add a little glass on the top so it doesn't become all scratchy, and that we're starting in a good way. And I was waiting for the colored version, but or for a special edition, but nothing. Nothing. So I just took the basic one, and I mean, I'm a creative person, so I'll try to do something. I don't know, maybe some stickers, so I'll see, maybe something else. So, oh, I want to see how it, oh, alone. Okay, it's magnetic, so that's a good thing. Oh, perfect, yay. It's bigger than I thought, I mean. And no, heavy is okay. I mean, it's almost like the first version. So let's see what else we have here inside the box. Oh, cables. So this is for the Switch, the control, the Joy-Cons, the cons. Beautiful cons. One for each color. Magnetic too. Here you can see it. And the cable. Okay, yes, I really needed it. It's better to have the new version, especially because sometimes the TV does not connect. So I've seen things. I've seen a TV all pink or red. It was a little bit strange, just because the cable was not the good one. Then we have this. Okay, for the controls, nice, clean, new. Oh, then we have another cable, maybe for the charge. Okay, and then the big piece here. Yes. Okay. The dock station, and that's it. That's everything. So we have station, switchy, two little parts here, cable, and this. So that's what's in the box. Oh, and I also took a game because, leave it without a game. I took Pokopia. I don't know why, but I always call it Poketropia. I don't know, it's in my mind. It seems nice. I mean, I wanted to start with a chill game, so nothing too, complicated. And I think this is. So, that's it. I'm super happy. I now have it. Ooh. Let's see how to move all the data from the old. Okay, nothing. It's my thing.